What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday, and on the show today, guess what we have? Another happy box. Yay! And happy boxes are happy for the cook, right? So we're getting ready to go on a camping trip. We got a few things for the camping trip and a couple of things just for the kitchen. So happy Wednesday, and let's take a look at what we have. The week's half over. I hope you're having a great week. We are planning a big camping trip coming up in a couple weeks. We went last year. I'll put a link down to the footage that we took last year. This camping trip is absolutely great. We go with a group of campers. There's probably 6 or 8 RVs going. And every year they have a hillbilly weekend where there's a giant water gun fight. So we are getting ready for the trip. I got something here for the trip, but we're trying to find our water guns. This year we rented a golf cart, and pretty much people go around on golf carts and load up with their guns, right? And you better be ready. So we're researching water gun. So if you guys know of a good one, let me know in the description, because we're not all that familiar with water guns. So all we can go by is like the big bad look to it. So we need to find some good ones so we can win that fight, right? So what did Mr. Amazon bring for us this week? This is for the camping trip. So let's take a look at what I got in this box. The first thing that's in here is, ooh, look at this. This is a USA Pan's Biscotti Pan. I want to learn to make biscotti, but still, this pan is great for all kinds of stuff. It's a really great shape. If you have like 2 of these, you can do 2 dishes in the oven, 2 side dishes, and they'll fit just great, even in like a big toaster oven, right? So this is a 12-inch Biscotti pan. It is by USA Pans. These pans are made in the USA. They are my absolute favorite pans for metal bakeware. Yeah. See if I can get this thing off. This sticky stuff wants to stay on here. Now it's stuck to my finger. So here it is. This is really nice, huh? I'm going to try to make some biscotti. Okay, what else do I have in here in my smiley box of tricks, right? This I actually got from Macy's a while ago. This is a Martha Stewart butter dish. I needed a new butter dish, and I actually got a really good price on this. The regular price on this is like $25, and I think I paid like $8 for it. And it is really cool. Let me see if I can get this band off of it. Nice. And it's got like a little foot on it. So there's the bottom plate. I love this. I think this is really, really cute. And there's our top. Sweet little butter dish. What do you think about this, Eric?
Keeps the bugs out.
What bugs?
When you're camping?
Yeah, I guess when you're camping. Okay, so I've got 2 more little things in here. So I got a pair of beater knives, and pretty much beater knives are inexpensive knives that they tend to use in professional kitchens because you can just cut and cut and cut. They have to be sharpened, of course, because every knife has to be sharpened. So these are the Mercer Millennia, the 8-inch chef's knife. These are very similar to the Victorinox. That's what I would compare these to. High carbon stain free steel. So let's see if I can get these open. Only thing is I really hate these pack things. because they're hard to get stuff out of.
You want me to open it for you?
Yeah, you open it, Boo.
Amy White hasn't been the same since her knife accident. That doesn't mean I can't cut things open. Yeah.
Be careful.
What?
Ah! You better be careful. That's the knife, the sharp edge of it.
Boo. Do you see my hand anywhere near the knife? No. That means I can't cut myself. You want to see that again? I don't know if I actually opened it, but...
Be careful.
I will. We're going to stay away from the sharp part of the knife, and we're going to cut across.
Okay.
Everything's so dramatic, right? So, I don't know. I'm probably doing everything wrong here. So.
Yeah, you are.
Got it open, and guess what? I didn't cut myself yet.
That was crazy. I'm just saying. So these are the Mercer Millennia knives. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty similar to the Victorinox. They feel pretty similar in the hand as well. So I'm just going to be playing with these. I'll tell you when I'm using these on a video in the future, and we can sort of judge how these are, right?
Plastic handles, we can put in the dishwasher, right?
You're not supposed to put any knife in the dishwasher.
But we can anyways, right?
Aha! So this is a cocktail stirring spoon. I was making some cocktails, and it's like I had no way to get to like the bottom of the cocktail to stir it. So I got this long spoon. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that baby. I can stir some cocktails. So this is the Highware cocktail stirring spoon. Thought that was kind of cool. So on our next cocktail, we will be able to stir it, right? So this last thing I actually got at Aldi, and we're gonna go camping, and one of my plans is I'm gonna take a stand mixer with me out to the campground, and we're gonna make some homemade flour tortillas on the campfire. So I got this at Aldi. This was actually like $4.29. And what this is a cast iron griddle. Thought it would be great for cooking tortillas on the campfire. So make your favorite authentic Mexican meals at home with this cast iron. Great for cooking tortillas, fajitas, quesadillas. Use on electric, glass, gas, and induction stoves. Doesn't say I can use it on straight fire. So we'll see. It's cast iron.
What they don't know won't hurt them.
Yeah. I might be wishing I didn't spend $4 on one of these, right? So let's see what we got here. I know Lodge makes these. And I'm sure the Lodge ones are a lot better quality, but what do you want for $4, right? Let's see. Wash it in warm soapy water and scrub. Reseason it. Very hot when used. Okay. So we have to season it, obviously. Kind of interesting for $4. I don't know. It's a little on the rough side compared to how the Lodges are, right? I don't know. We'll see. This might be a single-use one. So this is the Crofton from Aldi Griddle, cast iron griddle. I don't know. The jury's out on this one. I hope you're having a great week. We are working on our camping trip coming up. We'll probably have some footage next week. We're going to be taking our RV out, cleaning it up. It's been sitting in storage for the last couple months and it needs a good scrub down, right? We had to get a repair done on the roof, which is all fixed. And so it'll be ready to go for our camping trip in a couple weeks. Just to let you guys know, I am slowly working on my website. A lot of people have asked me about it. It will have a complete recipe database with all my recipes in it. I'm getting there on it. I've been working on it a lot the last 2 weeks and still have a lot left to do, but it's making progress, right? So stay tuned. My website is going to be up soon, right, Eric?
Sure.
But thank you very much for watching. I hope you're having a great week. Let me know what you're cooking down in the comments. And if you're not a member of my Facebook group, come on over in Facebook on groups. It's Amy Learns to Cook. Also, I am on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Can't touch this. Woo! Kind of a little cheap. Yeehaw! Well, sort of. The egg separator is whack. Okay, can't beat 3 egg yolks. Let's see if we can do 4 here. Wow, it can't beat 4 egg whites. Oy. F! Oy, okay. I'm gonna put some powdered sugar in here, and I'm hoping we're actually gonna get whipped cream out of this thing. Wow. But holy cow, I think I don't know what it is.
Making some snickerdoodles.
Like stuck to the bottom. Oy. Oy. I almost feel like the mixing action. One thing I can comment on, it's dinky. That's all I got to say. Okay. Apparently the mixer can't mix it, so I'll mix it. Do you see what I see?
I see nothing wrong.
Now, cooks, I don't want to be rude. I don't want to bash the effort. I have used a lot of stand mixers in my day. I own a bunch. I own 25 stand mixers. I have used mixers from every major brand out there. When I see this right here, this mixer is a total and complete on every single account. This mixer is a... Why is it?
It's called speed control, baby.
Something. Wow, that's amazing. That is amazing. That's amazing, folks. That's amazing. That's amazing. Why does it get sudden spurts?
It sounds like the gopher Caddyshack.
Maybe we should spare us all that.
Gotta be happy, cause it's Wednesday.
What's up, cooking peeps? It's Wednesday, and on the show today we have a happy box.